Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. Today I'm back with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Premier Bank account. First of all, just go into your search browser, then on your search bar just type for your Premier Bank login and hit enter. After doing so, click on the first link that pops up on your screen. This will take you to the official website of your Premier Bank. And here you can see there is a login button on the top right corner of your screen. Hover over it and click on login. After doing so, a new pop-up will be on your screen where you can select the type of account you want to log in into and then inputting your username and password so you can log in to your account. After choosing the type of account you want to log in, then input your username and password correctly. But in case you forgot your username or password, you can reset both of these by using these buttons forgot username and forgot password right here. Now input your username and password, then hit on login. Then you will be logged in into your Premier Bank account. So guys, that's how you log into your bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.